Hello, we are Windows 11. My name is Jordan Tynan. I'm an electrical engineering major from Spartanburg, South Carolina.
Hi, I'm Haley. I'm a chemical engineering major from outside of Philadelphia.
I'm Blair. I'm electrical engineering, and I am from here in Columbia.
Okay, for our topic, we decided to make a game involving logic gates. Now, logic gates are and, or, not, and inverter gates. They're basically choices that you have to pick in circuitry. An AND gate means that both values have to be met for the gate to work. An OR gate means that either values need to be met. A NOT gate means that a value must not be met. An inverter gate reverses that. For example, if you were to put an inverter with a NOT gate, which is what we did in the example, then in our game, then everything except for the not thing would be used. Haley.
And so to make this program, we used Scratch, which is available online from MIT, and it's a free program that kind of like introduces programming for kids. You can make like games and stuff, which is what we did. And so we implemented the logic gates by giving the user choices. And for the not gate, we said you can, if it's a sunny day, you're not going to need either an umbrella, a shirt, or shorts. And for the OR gate, we gave the choices for breakfast being a muffin, a banana, or an orange. For the AND gate, we said that you need to brush your teeth and brush your hair. Yes. And for the inverter not gate, we said you couldn't drive because you're too young to drive in the game. And you could walk or you could take the bus, but the driving didn't option was not available.
Okay, and the struggles with this, I worked on a prototype. Blair did the final product, but just me specifically with the prototype, the hardest part was using recursion. That is, I had to call separate methods to call other methods. Getting the order of that down was difficult, and setting up like the proper bug testing and making sure everything worked correctly before we traded over into Scratch was pretty much all I had to deal with, and it was a little difficult to get everything to just kind of work through and get every like input because originally it was just typing to just get that to work. All right. Fair.
And then I took Jordan's Java program and put it into Scratch, and a couple of the things with that were I had never used Scratch before, so we had to learn how to use it and what all the commands meant. And then there were some problems with timing, so that when you hit one button, it didn't take too long to go to the next action or backdrop, but then again, it wasn't too short that you couldn't read what was going on. And then also getting the buttons to talk to each other, because like with the breakfast one, when you hit one of the buttons, the other ones go away. And then also Cocky will say things based on what you clicked throughout the game, and that was a little bit of a struggle too.
As well as getting the sound effects to come on at the right time and so forth.
Okay, so that is it. Thank you very much, and toodles.